Okay, so now we're going to talk about the maintenance of granite. So about once a year, she uses this product, and again, it's from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's a pretty cost. It's $30, and again, you're only using it one time a year, but it's gonna, how many years can you just leave it in there and it doesn't?
Well, I've been using this now about 4 years, and
okay.
It's right there.
Okay, so this is 4 years tested as far as maintenance is concerned. What do you do with your sealer?
Once a year, you put your sealer on.
Directions on the back.
Directions on the back. I don't even know why I need to, because it always is maintained. It seemed to maintain itself.
Okay. Do you notice that, like, so maintenance on? Do you cut directly on?
I do not. Although you can.
Okay.
So I would imagine.
It says that you can.
Yes, you can cut on this. So I would imagine that if you did cut on it on a regular basis, you might put some little nicks in it that, for that reason, you would need to seal it. I think probably I would not even need to seal mine on a regular basis because I don't cut on it.
Okay, so
and we're not, little kids are gone, so we don't. we're not banging on it.
No, but let's talk about that. As far as yesterday, you said with your grandkid, you did a project. What did you do on here, and how did this hold up?
A school project to do, and he was the one putting all the glue on everything.
Okay.
And of course, we had glue all over the table. I just used this product, and it took it right off.
So it goes back to cleaning. Use this, takes the stuff off, and then again, if you're not cutting directly on the surface, although it says with granite, when you go to the manufacturer, check with it, because I think some granites are softer than other granites, so maybe that's so make sure you ask that specific question about how hard is it? I don't know, maybe there's like a hard test that you can do as far as cutting directly on it for the maintenance of it. So when it comes to taking something hot from your stove and putting it directly on granite, what did they tell you? What have you seen?
I don't remember them telling me anything.
Okay.
I do know that I take hot items and place it right on the granite.
You don't use a hot pad?
Occasionally, when I think about it, but sometimes I don't. I just put it down.
So you would take the Thanksgiving turkey and put it right on here after cooking?
Normally I have something down because that's just
the turkey.
Yeah.
But you would put a hot pot right on here?
It won't hurt it.
Okay, so for those of you who don't want the extra step of getting a hot pad out, that's, hey, I see no marks on here. The maintenance of it has, I mean, there's no evidence of any rings or brown stains or anything like that. So if that's important to you as far as being able to take hot stuff and put it directly on the countertop, then maybe granite is your solution.